What's up guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to enable dark mode in Twitter. Yes, the dark mode. I am not talking about the dim light. It's totally dark. After light goes, that kind of dark. Yes, Twitter recently launched their dark mode. If you don't yet enable it, let's do it. If this video is helpful for you, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. It will be very inspiring. Let's start the video. Open the Twitter app. At the top left side, where your profile picture is, tap on that. Now tap on Setting and Privacy. Under Setting and Privacy, tap Display and Sound. When you tap the Display and Sound, you will find the dark mode toggle. Tap on the dark mode toggle and turn on the dark mode. It's really dark, not dim. If you want dim mode, you can on it. If you like dark lights out dark mode, then tap on lights out. Now it's looking great, isn't it? That's all for today. Hope it was helpful for you. Feel free to like, comment and share. Please subscribe to our channel and get connected with us for more this kind of videos. Thanks for being with the Tutorial Lab.